What's going on, gardeners? Today I'm going to show you the easiest, fastest way to destroy an ant colony. Using this method, you can destroy entire ant colonies in as little as 24 hours. Earlier in the season, I posted a video showing you a simple trick to keep ants off your fruit trees, which I will link to above. However, preventing ants from damaging your harvests on your fruit trees and inside your garden requires both an offensive and defensive pest control strategy. The trick I showed you in that past video is a defensive strategy designed to keep ants from locating a food source, which discourages new ant colonies being built in your yard. You also need an offensive strategy to keep the local population of ants as low as possible, and the best way to do that is to search your yard for ant colonies and then destroy them using this amazing Amdro product. This Amdro product is an ant bait product. It's a poison that is highly attractive to ants. All you have to do is place about a teaspoon or so of this product around the ant colony, and they will feverishly carry it back to the colony and their queen. They will greedily consume it, and within as little as 24 hours, the entire colony will be dead. What's great about this product is how inexpensive it is. I've been using this jug right here for 2 years now, and it's still about half full. You can find it at most big box stores. It's very common, at least down here in the South, but I also have it linked in my Amazon storefront down in the video description if you can't find it in any of your stores. While this product does say fire ant bait on it, I'm happy to report that it has been effective for me on every single ant colony I've tried, whether the ants are black, red, large, or small. All you have to do is about once a week do a sweep of your yard and search for any ant colonies. If you see some, place about 1 teaspoon of the product right at the edge of the ant hill. If it's an especially large ant mound, you may want to sprinkle the product all over the mound. It's best to do this in the morning because ants are usually most active then. The other thing that I love about this product, aside from how effective it is that it is not a liquid. You don't need to broadcast spray it all over your lawn and garden. You simply sprinkle it on top of the ant hills. They carry it underground, consume it, and dispose of it for you. So it doesn't have that inherent toxicity risk that many of the broad spectrum liquid pesticides would have. It's a bit of a safer product. While it's impossible to have a truly ant-free yard, by using both the offensive and defensive strategies I've outlined for you for ant control, you can make huge strides in reducing the population and having better harvests. And that's today's 2-minute garden tip. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing and hitting the bell to receive new video notifications, and check out our Amazon storefront and spread shop in the video description for a list of the gardening products I use and awesome custom designed apparel and other gear. Your support is greatly appreciated.